Replacing the main board in a Domino AX series printer, such as the AX150i, AX350i, is a delicate procedure. Start by removing the rear panel of the printer to expose the electronics compartment. Label and disconnect all ribbon cables and power connectors. Ribbon cables must be pulled out evenly by grasping the middle to prevent damage to the pins or sockets. When all cables have been removed, the back panel can now be completely removed and set aside. Disconnect the red and black EHT wires from the high voltage power supply or HVPS and the power connection. Using 7mm socket, remove the bolts holding the HVPS to the chassis of the printer. Next, disconnect the low voltage power supply or LVPS and using the same 7mm socket, remove as well. Next, disconnect the electronics fan. Be careful when disconnecting the jack as the wires can be damaged. The fan can then be removed to allow for easier access when removing the main board. Disconnect the interface connection and the ribbon cable connection for the sensor and encoder board. All connections at the back of the board should now be removed. At the front of the printer, disconnect all connections as shown. These connections are for the keypad, gutter vacuum, ink pressure sensor, viscometer, gutter pump, ink valves, ink temperature sensor and interface zone. Once all front and back connection have been removed, remove the mounting screws that secure the board to the internal chassis. When all screws have been removed, the main board is now free and can be removed from the printer. Pay extra attention when removing the board as wires can get caught when removing.